Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting straight to diagnosis. Power cycle the green bot and capture the startup LED pattern and any error codes. Once done, connect it to your laptop with a known good USB cable and verify drivers detect the device. Make sure you know the current firmware version. That determines which tools to use. While you prepare logs, keep the bot powered but idle so you can reproduce the fault. This gets you actionable data fast and prevents wasted repair attempts. Once you have logs and backups, reflash the firmware using the verified image and check its checksum to avoid corrupt installs. This fixes many boot loop issues. While reflashing, physically inspect connectors, motors, and sensors for corrosion or loose pins because intermittent hardware faults mimic firmware problems. Next, measure power rails with a multimeter, confirm stable 5-volt and 3-volt supplies. If a rail dips or a trace shows no continuity, isolate and repair that component. To finish, restore your saved configuration and run a full functional test sequence while streaming logs to your laptop so you can correlate actions to errors. If the problem remains, swap suspected modules, like the sensor board or motor controller, with a known good unit to quickly isolate the faulty part. Make sure to document each change and its result. Reproducible failures with logs speed up repairs or an RMA. If nothing changes, contact support with your log file and the tests you ran.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.